friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tashi, and on this channel I like to talk about all things crochet tutorials, sit down videos, market prep vlogs, market vlogs, anything you can really think of. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 30 plus free crochet keychain patterns, and everything is basically written patterns. I can link some down below to tutorials if I find some, but mainly just Pinterest patterns. Before we start, go ahead and like this video so it reaches a wider audience, and that'll really help my channel. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So the first category that I have for you guys is food. So let's go over all of the food keychain patterns. So the first food we have here is a fried egg. This is so adorable. I made mine with eyes and a little smirk, like smiley face. I actually sold my fried egg at my market last month, so I definitely have to make more of those. But yes, we have a fried egg. Next we have a taco. Now this I have to make. You can add a face to it, or you can just leave it as a plain taco. Really, all these foods you can add faces to them to make them a little bit, you know, cute, but you can really just keep them plain if you'd like. We have the taco. We have a broccoli. I have made a broccoli, and it was the first thing to sell at my market every single time. I call him an emotional support broccoli, a backpack broccoli. We have a whole bunch of different varieties of ice creams. We have ice cream cones, ice cream with syrup on top. We have popsicles. We have like rainbow assorted. You can even probably make banana splits. I'm not sure if I have a pattern for that on here, but I'll link one down below if I find one. All of these ice creams are all super cute, especially I think the popsicles are my favorite. Next we have the boba tea crochet keychain. Now I haven't made one of these yet, but I really want to, just to see how it looks. I've seen people make plushies, like huge plushies of these, but I feel like the miniature bobas would be so cute, like on your backpack, on your purse, anywhere you could really put it. I feel like would be really cute. Next couple ones are kind of in our sweets category of the foods. We have cookies, we have s'mores, gummy worms. Don't hate me for this, I've never had a macaroon. I'm not even sure if it's called a macaroon, but it looks so cute. Now for the cookies, you can do chocolate chip cookies, Oreo cookies, sugar cookies, probably any cookie you can think of you could probably do. I think this is just a bundle of free cookie crochet pattern bundle thing. For the gummy worms, I'm currently making a few of these for my market that's coming up in August. Definitely a very beginner friendly crochet pattern. I would recommend this to any beginner. Again, you can add the little eyes on there. You can make them whatever flavors you'd like. You can make them however big you'd like. For these, I'm just making them into keychains for back to school. Next, we have fruit. I have made the lemon ones, the kiwi ones. I have made the watermelon, the strawberry, and they're all very simple to make. With the lemon, the kiwi, and the watermelon, they are literally just rounds and rounds, and then you fold them in half, and you can stuff if you'd like, but I don't stuff mine, and then single crochet it shut. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, it's not a tutorial. The strawberries I have made before. I've made chocolate covered strawberries and regular strawberries, and they are super easy to make, quick to whip up. So if you're looking for something quick, I would definitely, and you want to do a fruit, I would definitely do a strawberry. Next we have peas in a pod. I haven't made this, but I've seen people do the plushie version. I think this is so cute if you put it next to like the broccolis and the avocados, the pickles. So the next category we're jumping into is animals. So to start with the animals, we have bees. Now you can make your traditional bees, you can make rainbow bees, pride bees, you can make any bees you'd like. I've made multiple pug bees. I can insert a photo of what I mean up here at the top. I love this pattern. It is so cute, and especially for people who love dogs. Next we have the ducks. So for the ducks, we have the regular ducks and the mallard ducks. We have this super cute piggy. I like the pink ones, but I also really like the tan, black, and gray ones. I think they look so cute. And if you like add some brown in there to give them some like mud spots, that would be really cute also. The last animal in this category is a cow. I have not done a cow yet, but I am determined to do one. The last category that I have here is just random keychains, and we're gonna start off with like the planets, the moon, we have the sun. Next we have a book for all of the book lovers. Now every time I go to my markets, I do see other people like selling book covers and all these things that have to do with books, and they get a lot of traffic at their booth. So I feel like you should make these and see how it goes. I am making some for my market. I currently have a red book and a blue book done. I'm working on some greens, purples, and all the other rainbow colors. So I'm hoping that they do well at my market, but we will see. Next here I have a mushroom. This, y'all, is so stinking cute. Like, I'll make one just for myself. I have to make this. It's too cute. Next we have a retro daisy. This is definitely something that's in style, and I feel like will never go out with all of the colors, the vibrancy, and of course you can add the smile to it. Also have a sunflower. I've made one for my mom. She really loves it. The season is coming up for sunflowers, so if you are market prepping, go ahead and make these sunflowers because the season is coming up. Next we have a chill pill. These do really well too. I make them in all different colors. I still add the little smiley and the blush and the smirk to make them look all cute. You can also add to the keychain like a little, you know how some people do with like the emotional support pickles, they add that little note on the belly. You can also do that with the chill pills. You can add a little note like a remember to chill if you're ever, you know, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I feel like that would be really good for your market. And then lastly, we have all things sports. So we have footballs, basketballs, baseballs. You can do soccer balls. You can really do any type of sports. Now, I'm not sure. I feel like maybe the footballs are gonna be like a big hit. I haven't done any footballs, and I don't think I'm gonna be doing any footballs, but I know people are into football and into sports. I know there's sports moms, football moms, soccer moms, all the type of moms out there, and this could really sell because, again, with the books, people really love reading books, and people also love watching sports, playing sports, so I think this would be really good for your market. Now, some ones I could name off the top of my head that I didn't put into my Pinterest board here. You could do cherries, you could do monstera leaves, you could do salados. There's literally so many free keychain patterns out there that you can do, and I will try my best to link them all in the description box below for you guys. Probably a little bit more than 30 of them because I just go crazy in my Pinterest board. So I'm just gonna share them all with you guys. That is all for this video, and if you found this video helpful or like videos like these, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video again. Comment your favorite keychain if you have made these keychains before, or what you're gonna be working on for your market. I really love the engagement, and I love responding to your comments, and it really supports my channel. It helps build and grow. So yeah. Until next time, bye guys!